NASA is renewing its partnership with the University of Toledo when it comes to schools K-12 science curriculum called Mission Earth. NASA has given UT an additional $11.4 million, which we're told will extend the project for the next 5 years. A UT researcher wants to transform how science is taught in the U.S. with more hands-on experiments and direct observations to solve environmental problems and issues.
Research shows that students that do scientific research projects tend to learn more about science than if they just observe science being done or read it in a textbook. The nice thing about this work is every student can do their own project. Some students doing more complex projects than others, but they're still answering important questions. And I really like to see that when the kids get excited.
Nearly 5,000 students from across the country have taken part in the program. Mission Earth began in 2015 with nearly $10 million in funding from NASA.